Hi. Oh. Oh, what? What's up? Oh. Hi. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. This is Tic Tac. He is 5 or 6 weeks old. And there's a sweetie pie. Still a little scared. Hi, honey. That's Nugget in the background. He's a little bit more timid, but they'll both be picked up and snuggle you. Hello. Hello.